Welcome. If you want to keep track of your Snapchat notifications more efficiently, enabling app icon badges for Audible notifications is a great way to do that. These badges appear as small dots or numbers on your Snapchat icon, showing you at a glance if you have any new notifications with sounds. Let's walk through the updated steps to enable this feature on your phone. First, open your phone settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Next, tap on Apps to access a list of all the applications installed on your device. Scroll through and find Snapchat, then tap on it to open the app-specific settings. Now, look for Notifications, and tap here to see all notification options related to Snapchat. Within the Notifications menu, find and tap on Notification Categories. This will show different kinds of notifications Snapchat can send. Under the General category, look for Audible notifications and tap on it. Finally, toggle on App Icon Badges. This switch activates the badge indicator for Snapchat's Audible alerts. Once this is done, your Snapchat app icon will display badges when you receive notifications with sounds, helping you stay updated without unlocking your phone. Remember, if you don't see badges immediately, make sure notifications are fully enabled both in your phone's settings and within the Snapchat app itself. And that's it. A simple way to make your Snapchat notifications more visible and organized. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your enhanced Snapchat experience.